everyone, welcome back. Today I have extra special person with me. Carolyn has been a long friend for a long time. I actually went to school with her son. So I've known her forever and ever. She will come down from St. George to get her hair done. She's down there now. So I love when she comes up this way, we get to hang out. She has done everything with her hair possible. Like seriously, colors, cuts, like she is not afraid of anything. Right now she has an undercut. We do a 4 on the sides, and that's what I have done before I colored it. I did a 4 and then a 6 back here and then just blended it here. And then I will show you what we're gonna do up here. She wants to do it, maybe taking, like, so you can see about an inch right here of the dark underneath. So we're gonna do this short and piecey, but then we're going to go short here, but we are liking the length. So almost kind of like an asymmetrical undercut. So anyway, short, spiky, fun, and then we're going to leave it long over here. We're gonna barely kind of touch her bang. She's really liking that length. So what we will do right now is start up in this crown area. We're gonna come in and I'm just gonna point cut into this. Carolyn likes messy, fun. Like, you should see the way she styles her hair. She makes it look good always. It can be short, long, whatever it is. Yeah, it does. I do. You do. It's amazing. Amazing. And her fun personality, she talks like she's from the South. She has the accent, like, yeah, I probably should just have you walk us through the haircut so you can, she is fun, super fun. So you can see I've cut that short, but I held it this way. And the reason being is so this stays a little bit long right here. And then I will show you how to connect this back here. Okay, so I'm just gonna point cut into this. Because she obviously wants some, to come back here, so it's still an undercut, so it's longer on the under part where it's short. So you can see how I'm pulling this up? That means I'm going from short and keeping this long, so when I let go, there's that length back here in the back, so it will still fall down this way. And I'll come back through and take length here. But I just want to make sure that is still cut shorter up here so she can kind of do something with that part, but that it's long back through that area. Okay, so that's short right through here. And then we'll really texture this area. I'm gonna come through. You can see how this is cut different. I'm not just cutting it straight. You want different movement in there, different lengths. So see how that is. You can see that it's cut different lengths. Okay, so right here, I'm not gonna come to this part and cut this quite yet because I'm gonna come and cut this front. The reason being is because we want this short to show this dark. We're coming this way. Actually, I'm gonna cut this right now, but I'm doing it on an angle. See how this is short up here? I'm cutting it on an angle because she wants the length left in the front and on the side. So while I am doing it on an angle, that means that this that's hanging right here is going to be longer. So I've cut this short, and now we're doing it on an angle down here into the front. So of course, I'm just going to barely trim this because she's loving this length. Okay, so that is short to this long. We just trimmed this right here. Now I'm gonna show you up here on top what we're going to do to go from short to long. Okay, how are you doing? Good, good? Okay, awesome. Okay, so when you want this long, you are going to come on an angle. Okay, you're gonna hold this up, or you can overcompensate to go short here. And this means that length, when you let go, will still be there. So you're gonna overcompensate, take this short, so this is short, but all that length in between when you let go will drop. And I'm kind of pulling back on this bang area just because she likes her bangs right now. So I don't want to take that length away. And then what I'm really gonna do is texture through here because she's liking it longer, but we don't want it heavy. If it's too long over here, especially with her type of hair, she has a lot of hair, so she needs a lot of texture anyway. It is a little bit more fine, but she has a ton of it. So I'm gonna texture this really good. We're going to dry this, and then I will flat iron through here and just kind of piece this out. And then I'll probably come in and chunk some of this out, but I do wanna leave this length, so I'm not gonna do any more there. Because we should have all the short we need through this area. If not, once it's dry, then I'm gonna come back through and I'll chunk through it. That's one thing with short fun hair is after you dry it, you can go back in and cut more. Okay, so I'm just taking bulk out right now with these texturizing shears, which is more towards mid and the scalp area. Obviously, you don't texturize at the scalp, for sure not. But we definitely know that. But I'm going to take the chunkier shears, texturizing shears, and I'm going to come up through the top and the side area. So I'm going to hold this up. I'm going to come up through this top. And this is going to cut, different lengths in here where we're trying to keep that longer. It is going to cut shorter lengths in there, so it will help it kind of stand up even though it's longer. Because if it's just cut long and it doesn't have any texturizing or pieciness through there, it just goes flat. Perfect. She definitely knows. Carolyn's very good at hair. She does hair also. I guess I should say that. Used to. Anyway. Used to. Okay. Used to. Yeah, okay, perfect. But yeah, she is so much fun. And what we've done is we did the 3N on the back and around. And then throughout, we have done the 3N and the bleach. So I've just weaved that throughout just so there's some depth in with this blonde. Okay, so now we are going to do the Ken Remousse. Just gonna add that all throughout. And then with Carolyn, we love to blow dry, just back and forth, different ways. So I'm drying it this way, even though that we're going the other way. This will give it movement and volume. And I love the dark in here. It really is good with her eyes. It pops her eyes. Hey, we're getting there, girlfriend. Are you guys going to dinner after tonight?
No, they get a dinner, like, a lengthy, no, that thing.
Oh, cool. Okay.
To that song. That's funny. We like the way to
Awesome.
you can believe.
Yeah, that's going to be fun.
Yeah. That is the battle thing, you know, the falling on.
Awesome. Good for you. Okay, so I'm just making sure this is all dry. And then before I style it with any paste or anything, I will turn her around so she can see if she wants anything shorter. She likes little pieces through her like part area here. So I'm gonna make sure she has enough of that she can just stick out, huh?
Yeah. Stick up, stick out.
Yep, stick up, stick out, all of it.
We usually just bend over, mess it up, stand up, and...
That's what I should have had you do. Just put your head down and I just...
pull it here, there, out the door.
Yep, that's what I love too. She just grabs the hair and messes it around. I should have had you style it for him to show him.
You did good.
Thank you.
That's why I come here.
Thank you. That's so sweet. You're the best.
Texturizing St. George, the hairdresser.
I love it. Seriously, I love it. Makes my day. Makes my day. Yeah, Carolyn, she's awesome. She's worked with my mom. She's worked with my sister. She's just such a good family friend. And talk about a character. This chick is a character. Okay, so I'm gonna turn her around before we piece it out and make it fun. I'm just gonna have her feel around and kind of see. I've got those little pieces in there.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Do you feel like that a little bit through there, or is that about right?
Just so we'll stand up and just pull. Pop up. It does. Kick.
Okay, sweet. I almost think, do we need to take a tiny bit of length off right here, or do you want that down? Probably down in PC.
Mm-hmm, yeah. Yeah, you're good, Beth.
Okay, perfect. All right, so now we can add the styling paste, which is fun. And you can leave your glasses on, that's great. Okay, I just take the paste. I'm just gonna grab and lift up. And obviously I'm going to piece this out, which is cute with that dark underneath. You can see how piecey it is. I do like the dark that we've put in, so there's some contrast up through there. And then her bangs across the front. It's cute with the dark in it. Oh, you looking good, girl. So this is what I love about the haircut is it's nice and short here, and then it goes long right here, and it's full. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is take the flat iron, just go straight with these. They were kind of rounding, and she likes it more
because I have natural curl.
Straight. Yep, because she has natural curl. I'm glad you brought that up. That's what's nice too. This haircut could work for natural curl because we do the number 6 in the back with the clippers and the 4 on the sides, and then we connect it. So it is really good for curl to just take all that curl off. You don't have to deal with it. Okay, now let's see. Is that straight enough? Do you want some out?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, now I'm just going to spray this. And I'm just going to turn her around. Like I said, there's a 6 back here, 4 to the sides, and we just connect that, and then just dry it this way. So super fun. Carolyn, thank you. She's such a doll. And thank you for letting me show your haircut and your beautiful self. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the haircut. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to help. So have a good day. See ya.